everybody, this is Cassie from Helper Tech Burnsville. I was just going to talk to you today about water damage. Now, it happens. You drop it in the tub, it gets rained on, you leave it outside, whatever. Things get wet, nothing, no phone, like iPhone 11, 10, whatever. They are not waterproof, they are only water resistant. So this is something that can happen to any electronic device. This is the screen for an iPad 11 that came in and it didn't turn on. And one thing you can notice is you've got a bunch of water staining right here, and you can actually see the corrosion around one of the connectors. Now, water damage is one of those things that we can potentially fix. It depends on if it just shorted out the screen, kind of like this one was, or if it actually damaged the motherboard. We can do this kind of diagnostic work at either here at Helper Tech Burnsville, or we can do it in Helper Tech Egan that is now servicing the Mendota Heights area. So if that's something that you need looked at, feel free to bring it in. We do charge a $40 diagnostic, but that does go towards whatever the final repair ends up being. Feel free to stop out, no appointment needed. Otherwise, if you have any questions, you can give us a call at 651-605-2575. You guys have a nice night.